Are you looking for that perfect lawn that gives you that summer feel 12 months of the year? This is their award-winning showroom and it's located right here in Curraheen, right beside Ballincollig. In this stone building, this is where Rory and all the team carry out their clients' consultations. There are so many different types of grasses and they're all so real. But I'm not sure about you, but I'd like to look at some finished projects. This home in Bishopstown is the perfect example of positive vibes, the maintenance-free lawn and the connection with the home. And you really get to feel this when you walk through the kitchen and you make your way out onto that patio, down the steps and into this beautiful finished lawn. For all you golf lovers, don't forget Artificial Grass Cork also specialise in home putting greens. We've got another amazing garden with so many design features. We've a rock that turns into a waterfall. We've got a fire pit and seating that's all underground. We've a garden with big mature trees. But what ties it all together is this maintenance-free lawn. Rory and the team were just telling me they've got 3 main types of customer. Customer number 1 is the trade and they do next day delivery. Customer number 2 is the home DIY expert and the team here will guide you on the full installation. Customer number 3 is the homeowner that's looking for the full installation, and I think Artificial Grass Cork is the place for you.